The process is same for all the vegetables actually. But is tomato a vegetable? I think it's a fruit. What do you think? Hello everyone, Gurpreet here. First of all, please excuse my voice today. It is not very good, but I did not want you to skip this video for this week, as March is very good time to sow seeds and I wanted that this video come to you at right time. In my last gardening video, I showed you how to sow methi, sarso, palak and coriander. I am very happy with the result, how seeds have germinated and how the plants are looking in the pots. Let's take a look. Many of you have written comments and liked my video. I'm so happy that I'm able to motivate you and you have also started gardening at your home. Today in this video we will be sowing the seeds for a few of the vegetables for which March is the best time to sow seeds. How to decide that? So whenever you are buying seeds from market, on the back side you have calendar like this. So here you see this first line. This is the line when you can sow the seeds inside the house. This second line tells us when you can put the seeds outside in garden, and here you will get the vegetables like fruits from the plant. So first of all, let's take a look what are the requirements for sowing the seeds. The first requirement is seed itself. So where to buy these seeds? These seeds you can buy in this time from Aldi, Lidl or any supermarket. And if you want to buy very high quality seeds, you can go to the shops like Dana, OB Garden Paradise or any garden shop that you would have in your area. The next requirement for planting the seed is a container. The container could be like this, which have holes at the bottom for drainage of the water. Or it could be big trays like this. If you want to plant many seeds, it becomes logic to buy trays like this, and you can plant many seeds on this tray. Or you can use any disposable container that you get from supermarkets while buying apples or grapes and make some holes on it, and they are ready to plant seeds in that. Many of you asked me what soil I used to sow my seeds. I simply used Anzukt Erde and we bought it from Aldi itself. So what is Anzukt Erde? This is a special soil which have right proportion of sand, compost and soil just to make a right environment for seeds to germinate. So if you are a beginner gardener like me, it makes sense to buy this soil. The fourth requirement is water, just tap water we get in our homes. Last but not the least, you need few labels to label your pots, because at the end they all are going to look the same and then you don't know where is what. Now after the seed is sowed in soil, what are the requirements to make it germinate? To germinate a seed, two things are required. One, to keep it moist, and second is to keep it warm, like the temperature should be around like 20 degrees Celsius. Now how you can keep your seed warm? You can put maybe a blanket on the pot, as I had done for my coriander. I kept it covered for like I think 14 days and then it got germinated. Now after the seed is germinated, to make it a strong sapling, you need sunlight. For a strong sapling to be grown, it needs light of around 16 hours. Now in this temperature, you cannot provide light of 16 hours just through the sunlight. So if you seriously want to take gardening as your hobby, you may like to invest in grow lights. Till now, I have always cultivated my seeds just keeping them on the window base. I have never used grow lights, but just now I have bought one. I will be using it and giving you the review how good it is. Now after these basics are done, let's go and sow some seeds. I have divided this video in 5 parts. In every part, I will be sowing the seeds of few vegetables. I will be putting the timestamp of every part in the description below. If you are looking how to sow a particular vegetable, you can go ahead in description and click on this timestamp. You will be navigated directly to that part. Now before wasting any more time, let's move to part 1. In this part, I will be sowing pumpkin, zucchini and Indian ghia. They all belong to same family, so it is similar how to sow them. The pumpkin I would be sowing is Hokkaido. Why I like this variety is you don't need to peel the outer shell of this pumpkin. You can just cut and use it as such. You can use the skin of this pumpkin as well. The zucchini I'm sowing is zucchini bakara. Last year I bought the plant of zucchini, but this year I want to start it from the seeds. Let's see how it goes. And then many of you have asked me where I bought my ghia seeds. Actually, I bought it from India from 3 years back, and I used it last year and they worked wonderfully. I still have few left by me, and I will be sowing them this year as well. In description, I will be giving you a link. It looks like bottle gourd. You can try sowing them and let me know how it works for you. For pumpkin and ghia, many people soak their seeds overnight in water to germinate it little faster. Or some people also put them in tissues and wet the tissue and keep it in plastic for a few days so that the little sprouts come out of the seeds and then plant it in the soil. But I have planted the seed just as such because there is still time when they are going in garden around in May, so I am in no hurry to germinate the seeds. For pumpkin, zucchini and ghia, the depth of the seed in soil should be 2 to 3 centimeter. Like these are big seeds, so they need to be under the ground more, and they need a thicker layer of soil on them. Now let's sow the seed of these vegetables. In second part, I am sowing broccoli and cauliflower. They both have similar seeds. They are very small. So for broccoli and cauliflower, you just want to put your seed like half centimeter deep, and you cover lightly with the soil and water them. In third part, I am going to sow every gardener's favorite, tomatoes. So I have two variety of tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes, and these are fleisch tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes you can sow even before March, maybe in February also, and the fleisch tomatoes you start sowing from the middle of the March. So these tomatoes I use in the cooking, and cherry tomatoes they are used in salads. So the tomato seeds are also not very big. You just keep them 1 centimeter under the soil. You keep the seeds on the soil and you cover it with the soil, and then you water the soil. The process is same for all the vegetables actually. But is tomato a vegetable? I think it's a fruit. What do you think? In the fourth part, I'm going to sow paprika, that is the bell pepper, and Indian chili. I have just done an experiment with green chili. I have bought it from Indian store from supermarket, and I have cut it and put the seeds to sow in the soil. I will be letting you know how did they germinate. Did they germinate at all? For bell pepper also, I'm doing the experiment that I got the seeds from the fresh bell pepper and I'm trying to germinate them. But at the same time, I have bought the seeds from the gardener shop itself, and here it is written that you can sow these seeds from February till April. So we are actually not late to sow the seeds, though you could have done from February itself. It is one of the first vegetable people start to sow for every season. So the seeds of bell pepper and chili are also very small. You don't put them very deep in the soil. It is written just 0.2 centimeter, like just near to the surface. I had sowed the seed of bell pepper on Sunday and kept it on the window, and I can already see that germination has already started. Let's see how did I sow these seeds. In the fifth part, I will tell you how to sow carrots and radishes. These are the small radishes, the salad radishes that we get in Germany. So here you can see, you get the strips like this. So if you are sowing it in a big pot or maybe directly in the garden, you just have to peel these strips like this and keep it in the garden and cover it with the soil. The weather outside is looking not that good, so I have just cut the seeds from these strips and started germinated inside the house. The same I did for the radishes. Here I did not cut the seeds, I just took the big plate and kept the strips on it and lightly covered it with the soil. The radishes were so quick to germinate. I already have small saplings out of it. And the carrots I'm sowing with you today. Let's see how did I sow it. So guys, I hope this video give you an idea of your garden duties for month of March. Friends, I would like to inform you that I have a very small garden, but I have a balcony also. So I will be putting some of these vegetables in balcony and some direct in the garden. So if you have a garden or balcony, it would be worth following my gardening journey for year of 2021. So after watching this video, if you feel motivated, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. I will meet you next week in my next video. Till then, bye!